buckler, the United States of America, to wash dishes.
Yo. Two little Christian over here. Me's a man not perfect, but give me one and two of the bad with them. Nobody give every line of the bad with them.
Let me tell you this, my youth. Let me tell you this. My virgin, they in a big database, and them man they have to go far and go wash dishes. Cause that make more money for him. When them man they put on in papers, tell the people them at the company how much him want for the year, and the man say how much him can make in a United States. The man put it down on a 15% and give them. Man take 15% away him want down to 15 when man know him worth, and tell them say yo give me 3.5 million Jamaica for the year, and them man there don't get what him want. You know what the company tell him? Them only paying him $2 million for him work. Yo, wanna go on and talk about what you want to talk. I just love me to talk, you know, bro. No. Let me tell you this again, me not. You know what? Like man a corner boy.
Let me ask a question. You know what our biggest problem, brother? Guess what one of our biggest problem? We can't reason, bro. We can't have a conversation, you know. All right, now people that think I quarrel, me I quarrel, you know. And the reason, you know.
It's still at them. Talk. Alright, since you know if have a conversation, talk. Let me have a conversation.
Man, you calm down, bro. Me now, you know, where you say I'm T-Bird, you know.
You know, you hear me say?
No, you're quarreling.
You know, you hear me tell you?
Bro, me come like scrub, me can't operate in that. Talk again, calm down.
Listening.
Make it reach more people.
You hear me say?
Yeah, go.
Let me repeat everything. My thing go you right. 5 years. Study, data. You get me saying how to be a developer in a data. Wow, me I tell you, I code him David, but what you know, G? Them nigga they know go work and travel. Make money off of work travel. Jar down the bread. Come down a foreign now. When man do for making money off of work and travel, wash dishes. Alright, in the United States.
Where they wash plate?
But tell you, say the man used to wash plate. Listen, man, if your phone not work, man, put it on the better side, man. We get the connection right now, man. Cause you disconnect from me, you. What you do?
No, you say you wash dishes. Wait, yeah, go on. Say it again.
Me tell you, say the man upon work and travel in the United States. Wash dishes, wash dirty pot, and them thing the man do in America. Jar down him bread, buy him vehicle, set up him local house and thing. Everything nice for the dog. The dog graduate, get him diplomas and him bachelors or whatever him graduate and get in a fucking in a university. Me no know the dog thing, but me know the dog graduate. You get me saying? And get him thing and him blood clot work on him. Yeah, alright. You see no one about that.
What that have to do with what you? What that have to do with Antoine's constituency?
You know, listen when me ask. Yeah. You hear me ask about that one like
what that have to do with 4 people at Jamaica? No.
Oh, you mean if I poor people we are talking about and a poor you that? Are you we go out and go get him scholarship and all type of thing out in a school and get him diplomas and him shit dog and come a fucking yard now and want to start himself in a company and the man jar down in percentage so far down to 15% out of the man 100 and not even the 15% the man could have get paid for and then no sit down and not tell me about government to build up infrastructure of the youth and
hold on, brother.
Hey, I know the youth.
Hold on, youth. Family, hold on.
Yes.
Hold on, bro. Hold on. Oi. Hold on, man. Maybe not hear me. Hold on. So your brethren, listen up. Your brethren used to wash plate of foreign and send himself to school, right? Right?
Yeah, brother.
All right, so you get him diploma and he come my yard now. Right?
Yeah.
Him left school, him done school, and him come a yard now to get a job.
Yeah.
Which field? What field him in? Which field him in?
Developer, I'm a developer in a IT.
Him the IT specialist. Eh?
Vegas in a year, me say it already, my G.
Which year?
Come no man, get to the point where you talk to the man.
No, I want to know because I want to know the type of work when did I look in a what area of IT? You know which area? You know which what kind of work in that look? Cause IT is a broad thing, you know. I don't know which area. You know?
Man is the man did code the man did code.
Coding. And you say him come to Jamaica and he can't get a job? Eh?
Me say the man bringing in percentage of how much he want job for make money because the man know the estimate of him if he of career and the man say alright Jamaica broke and no money so him join percentage from him hundreds and go down in him 15% which was $3.5 million Jamaican the man I look from the government.
So voila. So with the somewhere now. So you wanted 3.5 million what a month, a week, a year, what was it?
Yearly salary, G.
Your virgin come at Jamaica with as a coding specialist and can get 3.5 a year?
The man never come to Jamaica. The man is a Jamaican, go school in Jamaica. Man, you know you behave like a slow man, you Vegas. You're a big international artist. You behave like a slow because you try to go around the facts. The infrastructure we set up in Jamaica is not designed for no youth out of the ghetto, make no money, and not go around the facts.
You see, this is what you're not allowed. No, this is not what you're. Hold on, brother. This is not. You're not gonna get away with the bullshit, and it's not the bullshit on the run with. Because you just tell me, say, the man go to school of foreign, get him diploma, come to Jamaica, and want to get 3.5 million a year, and the government can't pay him that as a coding, whatever diploma you have in coding. Now that is the brother.
For the 50,000 times Vegas. Yes, Vegas.
And him try to get a work with the government and the government so they can't pay him 3.5 million.
Yo, Vegas, Bumbuckler, no man Vegas. Yo, hear me I say Vegas. Go and talk to you journalist, because I know you can't reach that point. You take over the conversation nearly about 10 minutes.
Before you leave, I read something here. Hold on. Before you leave, I read something to you so you can't sleep on this a bit here. 4.9 million village at Tower Hill project to deliver new housing for 13 residents in St. Andrew West Central. You know where is that? Sita? Jamaica Information Service. No, look at Mary. Jamaica. Sir. We must we not do that something and we not talk about each other. And we not quarrel. I'm giving you something. You say the man will do nothing for Tower Hill. And I'm reading you something. Okay? And this is the Jamaica Information Service where you can go look up yourself. See him? So let me go again.
Brother, listen to me. Listen to me and tell you, man.
Sir, hold on. We're not going to do this, sir. You tell me say the man will do nothing to Tower Hill, brother. Is that you say, brother? I mean, I read
brother, I don't tell you that long time.
Do you want to hear it, yes or no? That are the main argument. You want to hear it, yes or no?
Me I hear what you say, Vegas. Me I hear what you say.
So the argument of Andrew no do nothing for Tower Hill. I'm reading something to you now from the Jamaica Information Service. 49 million village at Tower Hill project to deliver new housing for 13 residents in St. Andrew West Central. right? Construction is set to begin next week on a new multifamily residence in St. Andrew West Central. Which will provide, mute your mic, please. Thanks. Yeah, thanks. All right. Construction is set to begin next week on a new, and this article was June 14, 2025. And there is a prime minister in the middle with his shovel in a tower hill. All right. It says construction is set to begin next week on the new multifamily residence in St. Andrew West Central, which will provide housing for approximately 13 residents by December 2025. Dubbed the Village at Tower Hill, the development will feature 6 housing units to be constructed at lot 59, lot 99 to 100 Tower Avenue, Kingston 11, under the government new social housing program. Prime Minister and Member of Parliament, Prime Minister and Member of Parliament, Dr. the Honorable Andrew Holness, led the contract signing and groundbreaking ceremony at the project site. In his address, Dr. Holness stated that upon completion, the 6 families previously living in substandard conditions will be relocated to modern apartments. He emphasized that the development marks a broader push to transform tenement yards across Jamaica, pointing out that we now have the capability, we understand how to do it, and we can do it with greater pace. Dr. Holness reaffirms the government commitment to transforming communities, improving the housing and living conditions of Jamaicans. This, according to the article here, will be finished in December. Plus the one where they already where the people and then draw upon the rail. So your argument that the Prime Minister is ridiculous.
Yeah, woman say the house in the same lane down in a Tower Hill. And who know Olympic we know the Tower is bigger than down in a Tower Hill, right? They say, yes, me I did. And what you know, listen to me, I go
hold on.
Vegas, man.
Hold on.
Vegas.
No, I'm not going to do this all even with you. You said the man will do nothing for Tower Hill. And I just pointed out something to you. You just can't accept it or you don't accept it. So anyway, great conversation. May I go chat to somebody else, yeah? Big up. Burst.
Mr. Vegas, you hear me?
Talk to me.
Well, I call him back. So, Mr. Vegas, the brother that go on a while ago, right? And he might talk about where the country and what the politician now do. And me live in America, and me can tell you strongly this. Andrew Holness are one of the best prime minister Jamaica ever get in a long time. And me can go on the record and talk a whole heap of things with him do. But let's just talk about what the brother that talked about earlier, because this is why me always say, you know, sir, as Jamaican, me a proud yard man. We see my mother work hard from we live in Jamaica and work hard for the America and work hard in America and make something of myself. As you can see, I'm a brokerage firm me I talk from. Right. So what me can pull up right now is factual stuff. I'm going to talk with facts. Right. Careers in Jamaica that are in high demand and shortage of workers. Electricians. And how we know that? Because right now, the electricians that is here in Jamaica helping the man them are people from Grenada. I help out Jamaica, which show that there is shortage in Jamaica. That's one. The next one is plumbers. Shortage highly. Masons, carpenter, welders, even heavy equipment operators for backhoes, cranes, and excavators. Air conditioning, HVAC. That's a big one in Jamaica that nobody talk a lot about. It's big in America, right? HVAC is one of the most underrated, but one of the highest demanded, especially with a lot of the development that's building up in the tourism or even in the new development in housing. How about the fact that auto mechanics and these, you mentioned that to the brother now, listen, because him a think about him brother down the street where I work out in backyard, but him not talk about career-wise. There's a shortage of mechanics, registered, skilled mechanics, auto electricians, construction workers. You mentioned that to him. He never want to listen. You see, what I learned, Vegas, is this. You can't help people who no see them need to help themselves.
Facts, bro.
And when you play a victim, you point your finger upon everybody else but yourself.
Facts.
And that's one of the biggest things. And I'm not going to say that for all Jamaicans. I'm going to say that for the few.
Facts.
For the few. And sometimes the few speak too loudly and too proudly for make it seem like we Jamaicans know we are victim mindset. No, we look about with Talawa and we're proud.
True word, my brother. Don't say give thanks for your input.
Yeah, man. So that's why I want to get that.
All right, brother. No, sir. Bless.
Yes, Vic, you are going.
Talk.
1 p.m. Listen, I just want to emphasize on something really quick and fast. In 2017, I buy a house as a security guard. You to come out of the garrison. And I buy a small house. At the time, the house was 4.5 million. I had 27 years old at the time. And under the PNP government, them tell me, say, the mortgage would have been $26,800, almost $27,000 as a security officer. Within that same time, without through the transaction and everything, election call in 2016. Because I never approve as yet. And the Prime Minister said, if them win, based upon your annual income, they're going to drop your mortgage interest rate by a certain amount. The interest rate that PNP was giving me that mortgage as a youngster was 6%. When the Prime Minister came into power in 2016, my mortgage just about to finalize, and NHC called me and tell me, say, yo, we need to coming back, come sign over something different. When I went back there, my mortgage came from $26,800 to $20,800, right? And in 2020, when the election call again, my mortgage moved from $20,800 to $16,000. I'm living in states here and can pay my mortgage for $16,000. I tell people that more time they say I lie, me I tell. And countless, it's on my page, countless other Jamaicans can talk about it. So this is how me get money in my pocket without the government physically giving it to me in my hand. So when I'm gonna tell us, yo, they don't do nothing for poor people, they don't do nothing. Listen, madam, somebody have to lift up, man. Me in America right now, I'm one man down if work by my house. And I social media, me feel up and I try and look people. Social media, me feel up and I try and look people.
I'm in the field, bro. And I had this thing, brother. Leave the field alone. Why do we try to fix a pipe in my house, bro? 2 months to take me find a plumber, brother. 2 months.
Me say, right now, me look at plumber, me I tell you, as social media, me have to own them down pan.
All right,
social media, we can't, because the government goes as far as to tell them, say, listen, if you go art and you leave art, and you go up to a level 5 or level 4, we don't want to tell a lie, but you go up to a certain level. And you decide you want branch off and start your own business. We will give you some funds to start. We don't believe in our starting your own business, and we don't believe in you leave art, you have the trade. You have to go out there, go and work with a little man on the side, no matter little trick is going to give, because guess what? And the experience you look.
See me. Don't say
once you do a year, to experience, you can branch off.
True.
Alright, boss, say a word.
Give thanks to your input, man. Give thanks to the information here. You see, the problem is, we can't come on the internet every night and do this, because we have to save devices in two tune. But the look PNP plant them. What you them have 400 people at night time on their live, or 300 people. Them things say nobody have no sense. Them things say every Jamaican. Them things say them look a platform where them build and reach every Jamaican. And I know say there are Jamaicans who have sense. That's the reason why Mark Gold and them lose the election. Because you have Jamaicans with sense. After them beat Andrew Holness so much years at about statutory declaration, the people them still go vote for Andrew Holness. Because people have sense. Just like the gentleman who just called a while ago. Not like the virgin who called said the man who do nothing for Tower Hill and in constituency. And we can show the housing scheme where the man put in constituency. And see another one here go done by December. In a Tower Hill. And everybody are idiot. I just two winner have the time to come on the internet every night, come chat up and bring on people and make them share them argument. We don't have the time every night to go on YouTube like a madman. The madman when mad or two, then they give position over Jamaica Labour Party, around go PNP. Anton worse madman. So when you see the thing about it, I'm bringing on a sister. Well, I could be labor, I'm soon bringing her. Hello.
Hi, good night.
Talk to me.
You know what? I just want to say it is so good to see. I mean, at least it's out there. Some facts being placed out there, because since the hurricane, it is disturbing to hear what is coming out of Jamaicans and about the Prime Minister. This is the first time we've had in my lifetime a Category 5. And they expect everything to be done at once. Like the government is getting money, Andrew Holness is robbing up money. Nothing is going to the people. The kind of stuff that they're online spreading.
They are tonight, we open the platform.
God.
Yeah, 400 people. Where one there? Where one there? Where one there? Where I say Andrew robbed the money. See we here. We're here right now waiting for come.
Yeah, let them come. Me they away too. Me they away, but them not go come because them not like where facts is. Them not like truth and honesty. Them only love thieving and pure liar. I don't know, and it's what they get under the opposition, and thank God they lost.
Somebody can come point out to me the money with Andrew thief.
When to get it from the thief?
Like they say you get 350 generator. Big up yourself, sister.
All right, thanks, brother.
Big up yourself. Me want to hear the thing there. Kimmy come like our Wi-Fi. They're Israel. All right, Kimmy. Yeah. I guess we will come back. Soon bring you on Travi. I want to find this smaddy when we see a chat. And if I smaddy this. We right, one there. Where the hell are they? Jesus Christ. Alright, one more of them will bring up a labor right then. Oh. Let's try this. What your name? Dapper, what your name? Dapper, whatever your name. You're sitting down off my screen. See the sitting there for your request, the invite. No. A Prime Minister in a 2023, Zane, the Prime Minister said I could build some container house. The PNP them say no, it hazardous to people health. The PNP, they said the container house them too hot. Now them send out the shark. Figure say Andrew Holness use the money when collect from the band, the cat band, to buy 150,000 container house. Now, Uno did I say, what do you say the container house them no for use? When Andrew Holness did say one container house to replace the zinc fence them, and for people stop go turn up and look up in the sky, like what the PNP did say. Why when nobody go they go support? Yes, they say when I some the PNP, you know, in 2023 when Andrew Holness I say in one container house, and up to last year when they campaign and this year, them a burn out container house, and now them a be the face of container house. They want to be the face of container house. All of a sudden, they want to be the face of container house. Now, we not dictate to Andrew Holness now a town director of housing. I tell him to buy 150,000 container house. Dark shit, why you never did go up on your platform and encourage the container house when Andrew Holness did announce it as an option? Dark shit. When you come now at about to use the cat band money by container house. Them safe now? All of a sudden the container house safe now. All of a sudden no container house is an option. Eh? We don't go wait until PNP says something on the things I saw it for go. I don't know claim so we don't have the country's interest at heart. And when PNP said it can't work. Then East Coast. East Coast. East Coast say Vegas, you are gay. Then let's do the maths on this now, East Coast. You know, say if you are a straight man, if you believe say a man gay, why you go on the man platform? You shouldn't accompany a platform and comment, you know. If you think say a man gay, why would you go on the man platform? Maybe you like the man. Let me help you. Let me help you. I block you so you not go to hell. Alright? Good.
Yeah, good night.
Bless up.
To be honest, Mr. Vegas, may I have a few questions to ask you, because my question is reference to Andrew. PGA serve, and when PGA serve, him name calling a scandal in reference to money gone missing and shell and whatever.
Right.
Andrew name call and him name wriggle with the same kind of problem. You know think to say well say it underline a bad president and it left a certain amount of distrust and with people when it come to all these type of things. When it come to Mark, when it come to Andrew. The thing is that the corruption and the problem has been plaguing Jamaica for years. And the thing is, if you go inside, you try to keep your name, so your name not calling a certain things, brother. That's the only thing I'm saying. You see the man that talk before and talk and tell you, say, him can't find skilled worker. Yes, there is problem in Jamaica with finding skilled worker. But why is it when the people them done work, Jamaica can't hold on to them? Set something into play, a certain regulation, so them can have a structure in terms of what them get in terms of pay, so them can you can attract them for stay. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, you two different subjects at the same time. So
yeah.
Can we take the first one?
Yeah. Go ahead, sir.
All right. So you said PG and Shell scandal, right?
Yes, boss.
Was it proven?
In regards to what, the Shell scandal?
Yeah.
As I said before, you know, is things this is hold on.
No.
Go ahead.
We're not gonna do this, bro. You draw a comparison with Andrew and PG, right? So what I'm asking you is, the PG shell scandal, was it proven?
All right, based on the information I hear, it seems like it was proven because he said, I shall return. So continue.
So Michael Manley fired him.
Continue. Yeah, continue.
Excuse me? Michael
Yeah,
Manley
I said, yeah,
fired him.
yeah, continue. Yeah.
What Andrew Wellness name called upon that is proven?
But let me ask a question. Hasn't Andrew been interrupting with the investigation, sir?
Sir. We're not
You
gonna
asked me a question, a simple thing.
We're not gonna use a question.
Because me I deal with the press.
Make a reason.
Go ahead.
Make a reason like two.
Go ahead.
You cannot use a question to answer a question, brother. So me I go ask you the question and then you can ask me a question. And me answer your question. Right? Unless you're setting up your question. See?
Go ahead.
So based on the standing order, I got to the speaker.
Yeah, I hear the speaker of the house now. Yeah, I hear the speaker of the house. I mean, yes, you laugh. You mute me because I'm trouble in the other day. You mute me. You cut me out with a life.
You're good. So no, my brain the eye. There's no bad vibe. There's no bad blood. See?
No, never.
All right. So, was Andrew found guilty of anything or was anything proven that he's been accused of?
No, sir.
So why you make a comparison with him and PJ Patterson?
You know why I make the comparison? The comparison is drawn because allegations have been stringing with everybody. It's full time where you can be in a certain position and it not attract to you. You see Barack Obama coming in and attract to him like that? Allegations have been proven. You understand what I'm saying?
Sir, stop. They say Barack Obama unalive Gaddafi, brother.
Well.
Listen. Me know say me a straight shooter, brother. Me not do the bullshit with you, brother. Me a straight shooter, bro.
Okay, boss.
Good. Andrew Wellness.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Been accused. People said this and people said that. Do you have anything can give me to say Andrew Wellness was guilty of this or anything was proven that Andrew Wellness did for you to bring him in the same group where you say corrupt? For you to generalize every politician as corrupt. Can you give me something to say Andrew Wellness that one of them? When me can say, yeah man, a real thing out there. Because yes, it's me a reason up on a level. So give me something.
All right. I don't have nothing to give to you. I'm just being straight up honest. But I'm saying to you, when something has been, if something has been calling over and over, your name a ringle in a something. It's something, it don't look good in a brother. It don't look good for you.
Brother. Stop it, bro. Bro, from 1998, my boss them say me a batty man, brother. I mean that's straight you, brother. Me have 7 pitney, brother, and 7 baby mother, brother. Some bullshit you talk, bro. Come on, bro.
I news that to me. I never hear that yet.
That's not news to you. Hear people say gay gas or something. Tap it for brother. If you ever talk like big, we are big man, brother.
You see it. I respect your thing, the Salaga. I tell you, say, I never hear nothing about that. I see how you come at me. I never hear that yet, Baba.
Alright, you must be living under a rock. Bounty killer from 1998 I call me gay gas. It no means I'm gay, brother.
Okay.
I might be mad than my prettiest woman on the planet, brother. I might be. But it no means Andrew Wellness a thief because people say I'm a thief, brother. No, because enough people say something makes it true. So if you can give me something.
Yeah, you're right.
In a corruption, give me it. If outside of that you're just a giant, the wagon, bro, we don't know evidence. You know, you sound like an intelligent brother. You sound like
listen,
a man,
let me tell you something.
Hold on, bro. Because sometimes we rile ourselves up, bro. And sometimes we lose ourselves, because we not step back and just say, you know what? Me see everybody has said that and everybody has got that way. Maybe just check to find out where they are going. Sometimes we can just do that, bro.
You see.
Everybody I beat your brother and you say, no. Everybody over there beat him. You go over there go put on 2 lick on him too. You go over there go, are you gonna lick him and kill him, you know?
It is said that if you sleep with dog, you rise with flea, you know. And the case is this.
Bro,
Oh,
hold on. Sleep with dogs and rise with flea. The analogy now have nothing to do with the way I talk about, bro. A different that have nothing to do with this, bro. What I'm saying to you is, not because you see 100 people tumble on somebody and I beat him. You don't know them, you don't know nothing, you just go over there and ask them to beat him and start beating to him, brother. And that you do to Andrew Wilson, bro.
No, I beat everybody, you know, brother. If
No.
So me know why you go, me know why you go and make it seem as if to say, well, say, a Jamaican, me say, I'm a Jamaican. I've never voted before. You understand what I'm saying? And when it comes to foolishness, me no stand for it. I want my country to go up the road. And when me for vote for somebody, and me see them name a string in a certain something all the time, it left a bad taste in your mouth. And if you wish to be an honest person, Vegas, you understand what I'm saying? If you as a person, I do music, and a man have it down there, so Vegas take them 2 money and him bust them and him not give them the money, and it continue a string. You have to come out and put something out there to protect your credibility, because it you're going to live by, brother.
So
and me's a Jamaican. You understand?
Hold on. So what Andrew Wilson need to put out there to fix him, to represent him credibility? What you need to put out?
Yeah. Let me show you something.
Your opinion, what Andrew Wilson must do for you to accept that he's not a criminal?
You see the people, you see a lot of the times, you hear them talk about transparency. You see when the people have money come in, before your name I go call and certain things are going to come into play. Put it on a billboard out there. You understand what I'm saying? To protect yourself.
All right, so we're getting somewhere. Which money are that?
Whatever money has been coming in and has been donating. You hear people constantly calling on him and say the man a thief. Him a this, him a that, him a this, him a that. Put it out the transparency so it not, look. You have nothing to do with you. I want to forget to me and say.
But do you know that it's been put in place, brother? Did you know that?
Repeat that one.
Did you know that
yes,
is
sir.
Put in place?
I haven't seen anything like that put out there, sir.
Did you know that Andrew Willis don't get money?
Eh?
Do you believe the money will go to Andrew Willis?
It come to the government of Jamaica.
Do you believe money go to Andrew Willis? That may I ask you.
The money come to the government of Jamaica, boss. Sure. So whether you want to say Andrew or wherever,
the government. Sir. Mark Gold in a part of the government.
Yeah.
Good, sir. So let us reason like big people, brother. You know, me I give you respect, bro. And me want me and you have respect for each other.
Manners.
Notice how we can reason, bro. Do you believe the money got to Andrew Wellness when it come from the donation them? And
I said to you, the money goes to the government of Jamaica for them to dispense it and do what they have to do, make proper choices with the money.
Which part of the government you believe that the money go to when the money come?
Well, first and foremost, you have a finance minister, so more likely him going to be the first man of the money go to. If me an idiot still know, but me try and answer you.
Let us go with your argument then.
Yes, sir.
So the money go to the finance minister, right? That be anti-favor, right?
Repeat that one?
That be favor, right?
Favor, me not understand that. That's the minister?
The finance minister. Money go to the finance minister, right?
Yeah. If that's the gentleman, yes.
All right. You know who is the finance minister? You know who is it?
No.
Okay, fine. All right. So the money go to the gentleman. All right, cool. You believe say Andrew can take up his phone or him can say, gentleman, give me 100,000 out of the money will come there. You believe that can happen?
If him can do that?
Yeah.
Not in so many words, but things can be done.
Tell me how it can be done. For Andrew call and say, give me 100 million out of money. Tell me how it can be done.
All right. You hear about the terms lobbies, right?
Mm-hmm. Explain to me in this time. Explain it to me in this time.
When an election is going to be kept or whatever in the United States here. You have people that is called lobbyists. They go down to Washington and they lobby the case. That means they put money on the table where the government, where whoever them are trying to get elected to office. Money is put on the table at a lot of time. When they say this is crazy money. Within these money put back on the table, whenever whoever go back to office, you owe favors. So within these favors, contracts and special things are awarded to people. You might not see it, but it does happen.
Andrew can get people work and then get the money through contract. Like
Of course. Things like that happen, brother.
So do you know that
not saying Andrew, things like that. I mean, notice I may choose my words them carefully, because you might think that I'm a labor right or I'm a PNP, me neutral.
Hold on. So that means we don't have an auditor general then, right?
Of course, you have an auditor general, but what use does the auditor general if they're not doing the work?
What's the role of the auditor general?
Basically, if you fact check numbers, what comes in, if something comes in, 10,000 come in, and 9,500 spend, the 500 supposed to be somewhere where we can see it, and the 9,500 supposed to be accounted for. Fact check, do you understand?
So
I would think.
So you don't believe the auditor general is doing that?
Mr. Vegas, you and I know. You're roughly the same age as me. I listen to your music. There's nowhere on the face of the earth. You understand? Jamaica is a part of one of the most corrupted places you can think about. Yes, it has come a far way. And yes, it still have a far way to go. Andrew has proven that Jamaica can do well in terms of the infrastructure.
No, leave it, man. You're gone. I'm not talk all night.
Okay.
I don't want you to divert from the argument. Do you believe
sir.
the Auditor General is doing her job?
No, sir. Why
you say that? Give me an example of something that was not done.
As I said to you, Mr. Vegas, when money comes in, there needs to be better transparency of how it needs to be put out there for public to see it.
No, I know. I mean, and if you listen earlier on, I do not want no vague reasoning, brother. If you're going to tell me some things that the Auditor General is incompetent, give me something when I can say, yeah, man, a real thing you attack. So give me something. Yeah, like Mama Scrub, Anti-Scrub, according to not to look at Anti-Scrub, I say, give me something for the Auditor General. Now do right.
All right, let's do it. You corner me. So let me go do my homework next time. Right, you understand?
All right. So we'll catch up on that next time then.
All right, manners and respect, boss.
Liberate, I promise you the last one. And then liberate the Marys. Heal up. Hello? Majesty.
Oh, sorry, I never realized my comment. Yes, may I lose my train of thought from the previous caller. But he was saying something to the
what?
Anthony is being mentioned. You hear me clearly?
Go again.
Okay, so he was saying something to the effect of Andrew Holness' name being mentioned in corruption. And sorry, I'm kind of frightened. Anyways, so what I'm trying to say is, yes, his name was mentioned all over, especially mostly during the campaign season. Right. And even when evidence came out that these allegations weren't true, people decided and is still hell-bent on spreading the rumors. So that is no fault of his. When you're saying that he should be transparent, I wanted to know what it is he's not transparent about, because all of his business is out there for the world to see. There is nothing hidden. Them strip him. And when it's like when them couldn't find anything negative to pin on him, they kept quiet and let the rumors continue. No one step out to say, all right, this isn't so. Not until the election was over, then reports coming out that, oh, they didn't find anything on him, yada, 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 this, that, and the third, because it was a deliberate act to discredit the man.
Well, it's still before the court, so we're waiting on the final outcome of that still. So I couldn't talk on it as yet because they're before the court. If you're talking about the statutory, the whole Integrity Commission statutory declaration thing.
Right.
So there's no ruling on that as yet. So let us wait until that comes from the court. Or that's settled in court. Then we can talk on it, all right?
Okay, that's all I wanted to say.
Big up yourself.
But thank you.
El Kingo, if I got the right pronunciation. Talk to me.
Blessings, blessings. What general?
Yeah, man,
It's like a one man against the world, brother. Yo, me just jump on to tell us, you know, brother. Yo, me appreciate the man for all of the volunteer and the effort that the man have put out, bro. Because, bro, Jamaica really needs somebody like you, Vegas, me I tell you. Because it's not easy. And them say patience is a very outstanding. You articulate everything. And as a youth, where I grew up, entertainers are people in the excellence of society. And to see you can come down to our level, Vegas, to teach we and inspire us. Say, listen me. As bad as some people make it look, bro, there is a bright future, Umbre, and a better Jamaica, bro.
You know, so I come down to a level, you know. Wanna catch me up.
We appreciate that, Vegas, man.
It's a different world now, brother, with information at the fingertip, bro. So I really come down to a level. I just gonna rise from the gutters. You understand what I say?
Yeah, man, for real.
So that's why we can share like-minded conversations, and we know how to find what we're looking for, and we know how to fact check things, and we know to study to show ourselves approved. That's the real thing, brother. That's all it's about, you know, bro. Study to show thyself approved.
Exactly.
You can't argue me and you don't have any. There's no one can come on this platform, brother, when I'm on this platform. And if I erred in something, I will be the first one when I'm corrected to say, yo, me did it wrong. You see?
Yeah.
So if somebody point out an error to me, I'm gonna say, yeah, me walk it back. But less than 99% of the things that we may say, nobody can challenge them, bro, and that's a problem. So because they cannot challenge what me I say, what Dujana say, what Wina say, what Lashika say, what Joshua say, what Rusty them, the people them angry and them go to platforms where people accept the foolishness and the lies and the propaganda. They cannot bring it here because they're going to be challenged.
Exactly.
So big up yourself, give thanks to the reasoning.
Yeah, man. Salute Vegas and just continue doing the good thing we're doing, my brother. You see me? Man.
All right. Stephen Higgins. You know, so I may look for Stephen Higgins because it come like you're a very bright person. And I know the labor right them want the platform, and I have to give the labor right them the platform, but the fighters, them, the warriors, them. Jesus Christ, them beat Kimmy Wadi, I'll know me a ball for ratting. Forgive me. The way them beat Kimmy Wadi start, me have to look and see if me can get so, me have to get so healing aisle. Me have to get so healing aisle to go sap down Kimmy. And Kimmy go by people in platform and beat Kimmy to sickness. Heal up.
Yeah, bless.
Talk to me.
What am I tell you?
I see a bite of on the platform, so I just want
first would like if all right. Tell me this.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Owens, before he enter politics, he was a broke man. He never have no money. He did broker than me. How did he come into politics, getting a politician's salary and to be now rich? That
Or-
can only that these phenomena, Mr. Oldness.
Hold on.
Let me finish.
Hold on. Let me get it. No, hold on, brother. You're asking a question.
No,
Or
what
are you
you
making
don't
a
tell you.
statement? What are you?
No,
What?
no,
Hold on.
I'm asking a question and I'm qualifying it.
No. We're having a conversation, bro.
But we are conversing. We are conversing.
Right. So if you ask a question or you come just plant a bomb, let me know.
No, man, may I ask the question, but may I also qualify it with some research.
All right, so go ahead.
Yeah, and the phenomena of what Mr. Oldness presents, it only occurs in Africa and the Caribbean. You know, Africa still with the corruption, and the Caribbean with the corruption.
Hold on. So make a take it from which part you just finished up. What kind of phenomena has he created? Expound upon that a little bit. Break it down for the layperson.
Yeah, all right. You see the idea of a broke person, a person with no money, becoming rich from a politician's salary, only happens in Africa and the Caribbean.
Okay. Not in Jamaica. Jamaica is the Caribbean. Are you not qualified? And meaning Africa means it has to be corruption.
I'm gonna narrow it down to 80 and Jamaica.
Hold on. No, I'm asking you. You're saying in Africa and the Caribbean, which Jamaica, you include Jamaica too,
80 Jamaica. 80 and Jamaica to be specific. Panama to a.
Well, man, I don't want the language vague, bro. We can understand and every person with the panel life can understand. So you're literally saying no poor person from the Caribbean, I include Jamaica too, right?
Oh, no. Yeah, misrepresent what I'm saying. I'm saying to you that in the history of the world, only in Africa and the Caribbean does a politician enter politics poor
and get
rich.
Okay.
And you can research it for yourself too, because you do research.
All right, so Andrew Willis in politics how many years?
How many years has Mr. Willis been in politics?
Yeah.
He has been leading for how long now?
I think around 2012.
What, from what? 10 years? Is 10 years of leading? He's leading 10, and that's about 18.
Andrew Willis in politics from 1997, 98. How many years, sir?
Okay, just about that.
How many years?
Yeah.
Sir? How many years, sir?
From 1998 to now, we are 25, you know, so that would be 26 years.
27 years, right?
All right, you can go 27. Cool.
I got 27. I got 27. Can we settle at 27?
28. Let us give him 28.
How much money, man?
How much money he has? All right, let us look at what is presented for him. I don't know in bank account like that, but let us look what is presented. He has a property. No, it's for cash. It's cash.
We're not doing
He
that.
purchased it for cash.
What is Andrew Willis's net worth?
What's his net worth? You would know that more than me, Mr. Vegas. Tell us.
Bro, we're not gonna do this, bro. We know you see how the platform are running now. You're not gonna come on here and tell me say Andrew wanna start from poor to rich.
So
and
you're trying to not answer the question.
No. Sir.
Trying to not.
Hold up, brother. No, you sound like an intelligent person because you use words when me not even did understand what it mean. Me have to ask if you explain to me. So you're brighter than me.
Don't say that, Vegas. You're not.
No, man.
You're not.
Leave the semantics, man. Me just tell you something. Right? What I'm saying.
His net worth doing anything. He's not poor. Let us say that.
Brother, we're not gonna do this, bro. Am I rich?
I don't know about you, Mr. Vegas. How could I answer that? Have you ever heard of your thing being presented to a commission in terms of what your liabilities and your assets are? I don't recall that.
All right, so give me that from the commission then. What is his net worth?
The commission did not when I peruse the document, I did not see
Big
any
word,
place
big
that
word,
the
big
commission
word.
said.
Big word. What that mean?
Let me look through. Let me simple down. Let me broke it down. Me never see nothing where they say in value X. They said that one account activity is going to the tune of 400 and something million. So I mean,
No. One account. What?
you didn't see the Integrity Commission's report.
No, I haven't got a chance to look at it. I'm learning from you now.
Come on, Mr. V. So then how you support Mr. Only so vehemently, and you don't think it
Big word again. Big word
you don't think
again.
it appropriate
Big word again.
support so.
Big word again.
I mean, not even toothpaste.
Hold on. Brother, you lose me because I don't understand the words that you use. I want to have a conversation vehemently.
I'm saying you support Mr. Only.
No. Hold on, brother, man. Hold on, brother. Take time walk with me. Me a scrub. Me a scrub. Son. What you say again?
Eh?
What you say again?
No, I'm saying you support Mr. Only's wholeheartedly.
No.
You cannot be a report that you.
No, get it personal, man. I'm asking a simple question, brother.
Yeah, what's the question that you're asking?
What the documents? Which account? You say 400 million. Which that's one.
You are why are you not? You never. You see, these are the thing when we say about people that support the Jamaica Labour Party. They are dishonest consciously. And I'm going to explain what I mean. You want me to give you the specifics, but you never think it necessary for yourself to go and read for yourself.
You are making sir. Hold on, sir.
I think I'm lying about what I just said.
Hold on, bossy. The onus is on you. I'm
saying you think I'm lying. You think what I've just stated.
This is how you have a conversation, brother. We're going to get worse up.
Are we not conversing?
No, you're talking over me. I mean, I hear you. Right?
Oh, you're not hearing me? Okay. I'm put the phone closer.
Let me answer to you is, you came here. You said the man go from broke like you?
No. Broker than me. I had more money than him.
Facts. Broker than you. And
broker than me. Yeah. I worked before all this. So me have more money than him.
Brother, well on, man. And now him rich. I'm asking you, what is his net worth? And what you say about
let me qualify why I say he's rich.
No.
He bought a property for $150,000.
I would think I'm a part of this audience.
The average Jamaican
sir,
cannot buy any property cash.
Sir, I think I'm a part of the audience. Can you tell us what is his net worth, please?
Come on, Vegas, man. Come on, man. Integrity report did not mention Mr. Only's net worth.
All right.
I am talking based on the integrity report.
Fine. So if they did not mention his net worth,
yes.
What are you judging him on that he got rich from A?
I just said it. He bought a property for cash, 150,000 US, an apartment.
Hold on. How much is 150,000 US in Jamaican money?
Much better for fast. That's 16 million plus
I'll take 15. I'll take 16.
24 million, that brother.
I'll take 24. 24 million, right?
24 million, that. Come fast.
And how long he has been in politics? How long he has been in politics?
Mr. Onless, we not say I give you 35 here.
Right.
No,
brother. If you have a reason, just reason with make the reason at least have some cogent information. Cool?
Yeah.
Make at least reason with some actual information and some sensical reasoning. We not reason like joking. Because people they are listening, bro. So Andrew Wellness, buy a house for
no. Yeah.
For 24 million Jamaican dollars, okay? According to you, right?
Yeah, man.
And I'm
converted, yes.
And I'm in politics for 28 years, right?
Yeah.
So you don't believe say a man when in politics for 28 years can afford a house for 24 million? You don't believe a
man
man
in a politics,
hold
I
on.
get what?
Let me finish. Let me finish.
All right. I'm going. All right.
Let
I'm
me
on
finish.
in
Let
a
me finish.
politics.
Let me finish, please. Let me finish.
Let me explain this.
Can I finish, please?
Okay, cool.
You don't believe a man who buy stocks and bonds and trade and them something there and risky money and put some in a cash plus and put some in a wallet and buy some tax and anything. You don't believe something can.
All right.
Just be honest with me.
Let us take this from the genesis now.
Yeah.
You're saying that a person, remember, you would have to save from your earnings and then translate that to an investment that can then mature into something different so that you can reinvest. It not just earn. Cause remember, say you have to live too, you have to pay a light bill, you have to pay a water rate, you have to pay a school fee, all them other things where all the rest of we Jamaicans suffer from. And you're not immune to that. So if everyone get even 9 million for the 20 a year.
Hold on. Is he a married man?
So hold on.
Is he a married man? Is he a married man, brother?
Then we not. Come on, Mr. Vegas. Are you being serious?
Yeah,
We don't know same wife in the house. I give pay a problem. Every Jamaican knows that Juliet Owens and Owens' wife in the parliament.
Bro. Notice me I give you respect, brother. If you have a reason in the gutter, brother.
No, but I have not disrespected you once.
No, we're not gonna have that comment. I know you must be listening for a few minutes. We're not having that type of conversation. If you want that type of conversation, you have to go over belly and ground them, brother. You have to go over.
No.
Go over the little English you.
You know, then you didn't you realize that was a joke?
Me not run the type of joke, bro. I'm asking. We're having a serious conversation.
I'm not speaking a joke for you. I'm at work. I'm my other co-workers in
Sir, hold on a minute. You're accusing the Prime Minister to be involved in corruption. That's not. We're not joke. This is not a joke conversation, sir.
Listen,
I'm asking
listen,
you
you put words in my mouth, you know. Don't put words in my mouth. I am saying to you the phenomena.
Sir.
Listen to what I say. The phenomena of him getting rich only occurs in two places. Places where corruption are predominant. Africa and the Caribbean. When did I tell you that he is corrupt? He's under investigation. His case is not yet finalized. I don't know whether either way if he is or is not until that day.
Which body investigating him?
FID. Don't you know that his case has been referred to the FID? How me know this?
Did the FID announce that they promised us an investigation?
Well, you expect that, Mr. Vegas, you know what I'm gonna do? Gonna terminate talking to you because you're trying to use semantics and stupid rhetoric.
If I were you, I would do the same thing too. I would do the same thing too. I would do the same thing too. You see, that's the problem when you go up on a platform and on a nonsense can't get anywhere. And you see how easy people. This is what it's all about. Him now go up on a platform when can proliferate the bullshit. Me ask him a simple question. He must say, the man have to pay light bill and water rate. And me ask him if the man married. And I was going to ask him if the man have a wife who had a job. You see the problem with because we don't turn cruff in our life, or we don't start out poor too, or poorer than, or Andrew did poorer than we know. And Andrew now come work him way when can buy a $24 million house. We no bad mind. We no red eye. We no envious. Because we couldn't apply the same type of mindset where the man applied to his life and his movement and his desires. So we don't sit down and a bad mind, brother, you claims that the man is poorer than we know. And that is a classism thing, Is a thing when you feel like say Butch Stewart or whatever him name, could have be a fisherman and come be one of the biggest hotelier. I want to celebrate them thing that. But if the black man decides that him go work him way up, we're not gonna say I'm a criminal. Because you believe that him never fi pass you. And that you're showing in Stephen. You're basically upset. Say Andrew Wellness pass you. But maybe you want to try something or teach your children them are in the body around you, or the younger youth, them teach them something. Teach them that. There are some great women that if you don't get yourself involved with them, they will pull you or they will push you. Some days you feel like you don't want to go and she have to push you. And some days you pull her. Sometimes you have to have a brains around you, you know. Some want to end up with breed all 5 girls before now 30, you know, and have too much baby mother to take care of. Some want to get the little 1 degree and stuck at the 1 degree, you know. That's a problem, you know. When you stuck with the 1 degree, when you claim so when you get on a degree. When you think say life done just a bridging. I want to go all 1 work and stay in the 1 work. When you not get no promotion. When you not get no salary increase. That's a problem, you know. Andrew Wellness did I see we ahead of all of you know. The man has seen himself say, yo, as I get a youth, we come from nothing, he might go break the ice and give other youth inspiration. And that's a problem with Andrew Wellness. You can't tell me the man net worth and you say the man rich. That makes sense, no brother man. Just look into that. Just go in the front of your mirror and say, yo, you know, say me have a big soul. Because me I say the man rich and me can't tell the man net worth. Don't you ever see a man rich and you don't know him net worth, brother? Me not understand. Like, what are we missing? What are we doing here? What are we doing? How you ever see a man rich and you don't know the man net worth? Them reason they have to go over belly aground them, brother, and caution them and them dunce, them, brother. Them the reason they can't go against no labor right, bro. Me not see no labor right on no platform. Well, you can't go around with them type of reasoning, there, bro. That's why we have a problem with the labor right them. And that's why we sound like we are quarrel all the time. We sound like we're against each other, you know. We sound like PNP and labor right are 2 different races. When in truth, are just the bullshit when we not talk and people can't deal with the bullshit, brethren. And that's the bullshit. We don't have to do better, generals. Mrs. Wellness is a well-accomplished woman. When I work at Andrew alone, did I work him way up? Just right now, the woman in all kind of business. But because he's a Negro black woman. He's a Negro woman. He's not one of them uptowny. He's not she don't have the aesthetic appeal. She don't have the phenotype. So we don't care about Lisa Anna riches. We don't care about the black woman riches. That's the problem because the black woman for just stay and clean house and wash clothes and cook. When you don't see her, when you don't see her as a hard-working woman, when you don't see her as an independent woman in her own way, when you don't see her as an accomplished woman, that's why them give her some problem in the House of Parliament, you know. Because them not believe say she know the standing order. Them not believe say she qualified. That's why they dunce them were just gone in there a challenge her a try and make statement when they ask a simple question because them not rate the Negro. Oh, the picky head Negro ya, oh, nappy head girl ya. Oh, she come tell we say we must just ask a question, sir. Oh, she had chat to we so because guess what? She don't have the phenotype where anybody get rich, settle down with. All who get rich, one browning, and pretty hair, and long hair, and uptowny, and whitey, and ink and shiny, and this and that. None of we don't look back on the little nappy girl, you know. We don't see her as pretty. We don't see her as accomplished. She where we pass. She a we girl before we boss. When we boss, you know what? She can't pose with. No. She not bring we off. She not make we look rich. You want a girl to make you look rich. You must say, yo, look at a girl. Yo. Boy, the boy Vegas a paint on a Matalan daughter, you know. So if you never name Vegas, you could have paint her. If you never name Vegas, you could have get that pussy there. That's the only problem with Mrs. Holness. We can't believe that she was a factor, a force in our Andrew Holness development. We can't accept that. Well, maybe someone will need to try get a blood clot wife. Excuse me language. Try get a wife, try get an ambitious woman. By on the side, brethren. Try get an ambitious woman by on the side when you can make it with brethren. We don't need to go back to some of the days when the carpenter them like my stepfather and my father used to work and bring the money come and just the woman spend the money. Someone don't need to go back to that. Because someone have tried floss or compete with the friends them. When I try compete with name brand. So you can't believe say Andrew Holness had a vision, had a dream. And the same dream where he had for himself. I see him dream him of Jamaica, even in a disaster. Yeah. Him still make you know say, yo, but don't tell me say I go increase the minimum wage and I not take it off of the table. No, because we in a disaster. It a go work. It a go work. That you no like brother there, you know. That you can't take brother there. Nah, fool. Countless time Mark Golden bluff him and him now dash him on. And that you don't like about the resilience of the black man, brethren. But guess what? History I go say a different story, you know. Because history, I go honor him. History, I go make you know who Andrew Holness was. Me I tell you that. When you pick me, I come learn better than you know about Andrew Holness and his wife. Remember that. You are a man rich and you can't tell me the man net. Real winner.
Hey, what's up, man? Well, my Sunday, beautiful done. Hey, I'm saying, yo, I'm fully bad, man. Listen, you have some people out there.
Just a background.
No, hold on. I'm son. I play this thing. Yeah, man, David.
Mute up one time.
For every solution.
Yeah, go ahead, winner. Open your platform, winner. As you come out on
mute here. For every solution, they're going to find a problem. And when they find the solution for the problem, they find one next problem. Some people just look for problem, brethren. And that's all they continue to do in this country is look for problem, and they will never ever put a solution on the table. And me just get sick and tired of them people here. First, it was Andrew Holness, thief, and get rich. The affidavit come out, then use the beat him against him. Oh, yeah, man, he invest in all and invest in a cash plus, wicked, uncaring. But when you point out, he said the other man them there do the same thing. Oh, that is okay. So let us forget that. Let us forget the all in. Let us forget the cash plus. Let's go back to the original stuff. A thief in thief. Let us negate the fact that the affidavit is there to show the entire history of the man finances. No other Jamaican has ever gone under the level of scrutiny that this Prime Minister has gone under. And he has still prevailed. And then I love it for him because he might distribute the wealth in Jamaica. No for the rich man, them don't love that. No for the middle class people, them don't love that because they don't want it. They want people to stay beneath them. They want to always have to do a beg bread and stand up a stoplight and a wash windscreen. Because they can't say, Lord, for the boy there, Miss Matty boy, you know, I'm struggling, you know. Yeah, man, I'm the boss in the area, you know, because I may have my degree and I may run things around so. And everybody look up to me. No, everybody have a degree too. That's Andrew Holness, I say.
Facts. Joshua, what you say, brother?
You know, Sir Vega. Good night. I've been listening for a while, and I have to commend you on the hard work because I thought it was a masterclass of teaching. This gentleman, I wouldn't say was ignorant, right? If he was ignorant, I would have pitied him.
Right.
But I listened to him carefully. Just like this morning, I listened to another one, Pondering Lies, and I begged to go on the live. And by the time I go up there, I'm silent, and then jump off of the live. Right? While the laborites up there allow him to get to it with foolishness. Right? And it's the same thing this gentleman was doing. Him come up feigning ignorance. And let me show you why he came up with that strategy. And you unravel the strategy. He came up asking a question. And you ask him a question now that Conan, he tried to pivot elsewhere. Then he tried to feign as if he was joking about Mrs. Holness. He knew he was not joking.
Right.
Because it's a common PNP line of argument he's using. So he was not joking. In addition to that, when you ask him, what is Mr. Holness? Well, you ask him how long Mr. Holness has been in politics. Him can't tell you. Because the common narrative is 10 years Mr. Holness has been there. Right. Mr. Holness has been Prime Minister for 9 years, not 10 years. But Mr. Holness has been in politics for 27 going 28 years.
Right.
Right? Then he tried to say Mr. Holness is under investigation. That's false. The Prime Minister is not under any form of investigation, whether it be by FID. Because, first of all, the Prime Minister
no announcement was made that is under investigation. Let's keep it at that.
Right. And he stated that the Prime Minister...
I think the FID put out something, say they got the report and they will look into it, I guess.
Right. 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 And that probably came in after the Prime Minister asked for a judicial review.
Judicial review, yes. It came in.
Right. After, not before.
I think it may have came on before. I'm not sure about it.
Right.
There's no announced. Let us keep it
right
in line with the truth that there is nothing announced.
Right. In addition to that, they are trying to create something that doesn't exist because he claimed that the Prime Minister has $400 million, and
no, in an account,
right? Which would seem to indicate that the Prime Minister has more. It's just that this one account of this amount.
Exactly. So
that's what he's trying to put forward. Then he also asked another question, and I show you that these people are not interested in the truth. To ask if the Prime Minister doesn't have bills to pay a light bill. It's since this Prime Minister has been the leader of the country that politicians no longer, their utilities and those things are no longer being taken care of. All Prime Ministers before, right? All of their utilities, including a little extra for them gardener and the other household helps, were taken care of by the state, so you don't have to touch your money. Right? And they feel he deliberately, according to him, he has read the report. Now, if he read the report, which I'm sure he did because I listened to him a little bit, to a certain degree, he may not have read it totally, then he would have realized that the Prime Minister has been investing for years, close to 30 years, investing and reinvesting, investing and reinvesting.
I'm gonna say he didn't read the report. I think what he tried to put forward something that he heard. That's why I didn't know how to explain it.
Well, you're probably right. Because if he had read it, then he wouldn't have cornered himself.
Right. There was a $400 million in an account. Yeah.
He probably would have done the honorable thing like the other guy who said, "Hey, I don't have enough information." You know, right? But he probably would have realized that the Prime Minister has been investing and reinvesting. That mansion that the Prime Minister lives in, I used to live in the same community. I lived in Mona. And I used to shop at the same hardware that the Prime Minister used to shop at when he was building his house. At the time, he was Minister of Education. Right? And what a lot of them don't know is that the Prime Minister used to buy little things. It's not one go. The Prime Minister went and built his house. He bought things little, build here, pause, build here, pause, build here, pause. Right?
But Joshua, regardless though, even if he did not buy little and he buy them one time, I'm trying to figure out why they have so much obsession over the house. When
Because
there are so many other politicians
you know why? You know why they have obsession over the house? In addition to what you stated earlier,
Right.
part of the reason they have that kind of obsession over the house, it's because it is convenient to maintain that line of argument.
Okay.
So it's not about truth; it's about convenience.
Right. Cut budget. Let me hear what you say now.
Yeah, good night, Mr. Vegas. Good night and good night, everybody, man. Because Mr. Vegas, me there a long time I listen to you, you know, so you know have to follow them people, you know. Because you see when bad mind catch you, it's a hell of a thing, you know, sir. You know, say upon Peter Philip days, upon Peter Philip, bad mind and Joe is spin up. He spin up upon the white man, you know. So you know, say them people all know they can't get over it, you know. It's a medication where they take. I mean, don't know, and God himself can get you out of them in Jamaica right now.
Right.
Understand me, sir? So me I listen to you and I listen. Me I say, man, it like you know now. If you just take out that little idiot and his cartoon,
Joshua, let me bring up somebody else here.
You understand me, sir? Because me don't know where the people them just don't like. Me don't know where they hate. Where we hate with black people for.
I just
hate black. Even one of them.
I just a mindset, brother.
Man, he come like me, I tell him, Mr. Vegas, me I wonder me I see you for how long with him. I say, Mr. Vegas, you know where you waste time on this man find him. This man in bad mind tell
No, it's not waste time, you know. These are arguments where permeates the whole society, brother. So it's not waste time. It's when you come upon these conversations and you use the facts to debunk them, then people will see through the nonsense. Some people believe. Some believe.
That's true because me have it at work, you know. Me have it at work in Canada. Me I tell you, say, me I fit look on him and tell him, say, man, me don't know no bad mind for, you know. Me don't know where no bad mind for.
But no watch out.
Me don't know where the white man. I don't know Mark Golin give them. I don't know what kind of medication Mark Golin, the white man.
No. It's Stockholm syndrome, brother. But no say a word, brother. I have all the reason with the item. So go on listening, Zane.
Why me tell you, Mr. Vegas? Me don't know what wrong with them and people. Me don't know we are bad mind. We are bad mind. Call the Jamaica.
Don't worry, sir, man. Little more. Don't worry, sir, man. Go on listening.
All right, then, Mr. Vegas. Me there, man. I listen to you.
Chef, what you say?
Yeah, man. Blessed good evening, Mr. Vegas.
Blessed, man.
Boy, may I tell you, brother, you have a heart and a mind to deal with them people. The brother was called a while ago. Him sound like him educated, but an educated dunce that. Him is an educated dunce. Because first thing you ask the man, what is the man network? And he must say the man rich.
Right.
And you cannot tell a man network and say him rich. He must say him use how many million buy a house?
24.
24 million.
Right.
My God, 24 million buy a house. The man in politics, how long she want them to say, these are the things I'm doing. You see, me have youth, and me teach my youth them to invest. Don't work, just don't just work, and I save. You have to make your money work for you.
Right.
You have to make your money work for you, but most Jamaican, these are the things where them don't teach them kids how to invest. No care how small it is, you have to learn to invest. So when somebody start invest their money and start achieve things now, them a thief. So this brother doesn't make no sense. It just now make no sense. I'm hearing next brother I say, come there listening a long time now. I'm hearing next brother I say, there is no job in Jamaica and but America me there. But brother, me's a chef for 22 years now. And nobody never, me take up myself, go get my skill and push myself. So these are the things Jamaica need to stop pointing fingers. Don't wait for government to come and give you hand out. Go look it for yourself.
I agree with you, man.
Go and look it for yourself. And that's all I ever say to the people, bro, stop waiting for government to come and go to something. And when you get something to them now, put it to nothing good either. Them not turn it.
Thanks.
So brother.
Say
So
alright,
there
man.
you
But yeah.
keep
Alright,
yeah,
come on.
continue to do the good work, my boss.
Yeah, man, see. Alright, let me grab a few more. One at a time. Alright. What the engineer? Yo.
The engineer. Oh yeah, the man.
Yeah, sir. Talk to me.
I see how man. Like if I'm coming from work, we can't even tune up, man. Tell you the truth. Come and see how dealing
Go
with
and check in, man. Go and check in. Maybe next half hour, I look for them. So go and check in.
All right, so one thing more I say before we left though.
Yeah.
You see, if me now have business for 20 odd years and I can't get rich for it, then let's just do it then. You see me? Sorry, that's how I heard.
You have business for 20 years, can't buy a house, brother. You don't make sense.
You make sense. I think quit. You're not good at what you do, brother.
Good point. Good argument. Good argument.
That's how I heard. Go on the other man. We see I beat them, but I love it.
The man make a good point. The man say, no one in a business so long and can't make nothing in life. The one try for evening. The boy try in there, you know. Sorry, the boy thing. The man try in there for an evening, you know. I buy it up himself, you know. And in that press the button, you know. I'm afraid. I in the comment alone, your body not try. Try your own body in the comment. Yellow.
Mr. Vegas. How you do?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Listen up. I know the subject where you find me at talk about and I laugh, you know. You see how they cuss off the PM and tell him about say the generator them come figure the people them down there. I you see the few little people they will get generator down there, 7 of them dead.
What do you mean by 7 of them dead? What do you mean?
Them inhale carbon monoxide and dead. And the news me just a watch and a see it.
No. Not tell me that, man. That's sad,
it just
man.
come up. Yeah, it just come over the news and you saw them did I beat the prime minister say when the prime minister said what the generator them come for and they're gonna make the small business people them.
We not check the information if I come talk about it.
I see TVJ just showed the news there a while ago.
You know, so me see a Rasta man. I say one generator for do. Una go poison.
And them don't know if you use it. Yes, a 7 dead. 7 the news just come over.
Monoxide.
Yes. And you saw them cuss the prime minister when he never take up the watch of them and give them. You see what me I talk about? They're supposed him did give more people are than dead Vegas.
It's a very sad thing still. Me no want to laugh at it still. It's sad. Because I remember saying
I'm not laughing. Let me tell you, it's a serious thing.
Yeah. Me no want to take it.
Me
no want to take it like light. Because these people will get the generators them. Well, I know. You see the people get the generators them. The people get the generators them. They're not the ones on the internet causing mischief, you know.
No.
That's a sad thing.
But what I am saying, them with a tear off Andrew Holness' neck, saying get the generator them figure and him a wife them up and the boat him a go lend people and him want them back and ask.
How do we know it's the same generators them do? Maybe are different people where have generators do.
But that is what I'm saying, Vegas. Some of the people
it still make sense what you're saying though, that you have to know how to use it too. You can't have it locked up in the house.
You have to know how to use it. And what if the prime minister had given it to them and they misuse it? Them in that same way.
Yeah, analyze. Let me call up and make him check the information here.
All right, baby love, cool.
Thanks, yeah. No, people, me feel bad. Jaja. Poor people, man, they are like as them can't have enough star. Those are the things that people really are going through, you know, because people maybe not even know, so them not feel lock it up in their house. I mean, hear a man on the internet and a Rasta man, I say, yo, I something with poison them, you know. Oh, so it's not the government generator. But regardless, even if it were the government generator, that's why the government now give to people for putting in them house. The man say man give to the business place them. That's one of the reasons to Andrew Holness did I think about maybe, you know, we must say, yo, them people are going to take it and lock it up in them house, you know, and I use it, you know. You have him give to the business people them. Jaja.
Night, brother. That's what I'm going.
Yes, talk to me.
Yeah, man. I think last night a bridging there say the reason why enough of people might lock up them generator. You did run the generator at night, and then it just lock off. And a man say, boy, you run out of gas. Make you leave it till the morning. Somebody TV generator and gone with it.
Oh.
So
Yeah.
that's the reason why some people have it locked up in a house. But you have to be like enclosure outside, man, and lock it up with padlock or something.
Listen me. The other day we go country, you know. And me tell us, I go in the shed where Mr. Ferguson having generator. Me tell her this, brother. I nearly dropped down in the room where the generator, the man.
Vegas, you don't have to tell me that, man. A 53 generator I'm responsible for why you know.
Bro, them not understand that. You see, I'll watch up about generator. I say me go in the room with the generator, brother. In the hot like a fire.
Vegas, even the diesel, for the diesel generator, even the smell of the diesel alone, even the smell of the diesel alone, it can mess you up. If you have sinus problem, man, it will kill you in the month.
Bro, you saw me come out of the shed with the generator there. My head feel giddy. Yeah, man. But give thanks.
A diesel generator, don't it?
Yeah, man. No, me not never geese lead, but me know say, boy, me go in the shed and me tell you say in the hot like a fire, brother.
You nearly knock you senseless.
What? But give thanks, bro. For reason.
Come like a diesel, man. Come like a diesel, man.
I'm a boss. Cool.
Bless up. Vegas, me not see anything about any carbon monoxide debt. And the
we have to keep an eye on it. Talk about it. Yeah, where that's
you hear me?
Where that's about the PM?
No, so a typical example of investment. When Trans-Jamaica Highway came to market, IPO price $1, it was $1.20, if my mind serves me right. The Prime Minister invested $10 million in about 777,000 shares, something like that. Today, that stock price, yes, today that stock reached $4.48. That would have made the portfolio value $34 million.
When we bought it,
it up $24 million since 2020.
When we bought it, I think for 120. And then we buy again another set when we get at 150. Great example, that brother. And how much?
Jamaica became millionaires.
How much the Prime Minister bought?
He spent $10 million. He get about 7,778,000 shares. And he did an Integrity Commission's report. Anybody want to validate that? And then you can look when buy it for and wait stock price today. And he reached as far as $5 since the start of the year.
Wow.
That would have gone up to about close to $38 million, $40 million.
So he could have taken the $40 million and buy a house.
He could have buy a house. Easy one,
or buy a piece of land.
And buy a piece of land. He could have sell his shares now and buy one house brand spanking new. By just investing $10 million. And just try doing the investment like that from 1997.
Give thanks to that.
Just like when he invested the money again and bought the bonds.
I buy a
and bought the bonds them and make 100,000 US off of it. And he sell it in 2002 and them say how I bought money. But none of them are looking at Integrity Commission report.
We stock I would buy right now. Broilers. Jamaica broilers.
Yeah. Because the negative press upon it.
No, because it's done by over 50%. I mean no set to come back.
Yeah, but why the negative? Because the negative press, because of audited issues with $7 billion unaccounted for. So
but people have to eat.
People have eat, chicken have eat. So it's to back up. So guys, don't work and put money in your bank. Look towards investment goals. Follow the Prime Minister. Blessings. I mean, Mr. Investor. The Prime Minister, me start invest and make money.
Right now, me more ambitious than before, brother.
A week time when I come in investment work, I mean, used to think so investment of the rich people. Andrew Holness said, no, poor people are getting ahead too.
I really think, man.
Yeah, man, blessings.
People where they are foreign, now is a good time to invest in some bonds and stocks in your country. The country is going to go through a rebuilding phase. Cement, chicken, meat, them thing there right now, down, but people have to eat food. So broilers must come back. And I'm not an expert. I am not a crypto scammer. Good. I am not a crypto scammer. I'm not trying to take your $50,000. I am not a crypto scammer. See? JPS too. Just look where you can come invest $1 little in Jamaica. I am not a crypto scammer. I don't want the $50,000. Good? I just tell you, and I'm not an expert. Good? Then Ali Whitelock. Ali Whitelock. You company platform, right? And you see me a reason. And you say nobody know what I hear from me. Then that makes sense? Just think about what you just write. When you write that, you not even think what you write, say. Your company platform, you see 400 odd people. You look like about 600 odd people. And you say nobody know what I hear from me. Then why you think them they do? I be your dumb people over here. I be your deaf people over here. Well, big up the dumb and the deaf community. Big up on yourself. You see? Big up on yourself. You see? Because I don't know why you're there. If nobody know why you hear from me. Alright, I'm taking on the line again. Blessings. 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 All right, keep me up next, you know, because you're not ready fit. You're not ready for that. Keep me there. Why keep me come off? I go sap you with water. Where is Kim every time?
No, sir, let me say something quick and fast. Ladies and gentlemen that is listening to the hearing of this program, the carbon dioxide poisoning was before the government even got the generators.
All news.
All news.
All right, see, that's why.
Still news. Long time news. That happened within like the second week after Melissa. So all those who had generators in the country area, it happened after Melissa. The government never.
Maybe the autopsy report just come out.
Right. So the government did not get the generators them yet.
Okay, so good. Well, here you have it, people, but we're still.
Condolences to the families, that whatever. I'm gonna need to stop Uncle Vegas because me good. I still walked away with my pride and my dignity, and I defended the Prime Minister. What hurt the lady, belly ground, was the fact that the host asked me, what is it that Mark Golding does that I respect? And I said, I respect the fact that he's trying to be a Jamaican and it lick her chip. That's all I said. And that's why she started with the name calling and the this and the that. And then we end up clarifying the unity that they said Andrew Holness never want. So a lot of persons get to understand that the unity was out there and Mark Golding turned it down.
Well, when we spoke on this, I'm going to tell you, so when you see it's not peak season, so you don't need to.
Right? So, and then that's when she started with you, when she started with you on the car business. I'm like, my dear, I forgot to ask you about this, you know, because me one car, 2 cars. Remember, so we're working at election, you know.
Listen.
And the sun at a Kingston and Andrew, the last hurricane bend and I turned down the sun.
Listen. I got Benz.
My dear.
BMW. Then give me a Rolls Royce. Then give me a Jaguar.
Remember the beast.
Then give me Range Rover.
Jailing.
I got so many things. All right. So when you hear them say it again, tell them say no, you get more than that. All right.
Right. So that was just why I was over there. And
No
to
scary,
be
man.
honest, I'm so happy that I got.
Just not stray, man. Don't stray.
No, I ain't going back over there because you know when I deal with the fish business. But anyways, I'm happy I got to clear up the fact
No,
that
man. We don't need to talk about them, man. We have to about, we get clarity tonight about what the problem with people are. So no worries.
you guys, 500 container houses.
All right.
Big up the Prime Minister.
All right, big up yourself. People don't notice, I'm not begging to tap up the screen, none at all since night. I'm at 77,000. Because I know that you don't know to tap it up. So I have to tell them to tap it up. Because I have big taps and roads. I understand? I don't do content with on TikTok. I just come and I reason and I gone. So whether you want to tap it or you don't want to tap it, if you're busy, if then cut off, you just cut off, we cut off. You see, 5,000 container houses, Kimmy, not 500. Yeah, 5,000. All right, yeah. And Labour right on the top, go over the little man, the little British black man platform. Go make people disrespect you. Yeah, remember when I represent class and dignity. You see, I went over there and I see them start getting rude and start black Labour right, and I exited the platform. Stop going on platforms where you're not welcome or for people to disrespect you. Don't make nobody disrespect you over defending Andrew Holness on them platform. Worse is not politics season where we take too little disrespect because we want to get the truth out. Election done. You see? I can understand if it's this closer to the election or if it's close to the election where we're trying to reach the undecided voters. But at this point, we don't need to do it. We don't need to go take no disrespect from anyone on any platform. So if we don't realize that the man kick out Labour right out of box and a black Labour rights, that means that the platform is a PNP platform. It's a plant. Let them enjoy their platform. Everybody have a phone and can download TikTok and create a platform. You cannot stop a man from create a platform or a woman. Belly are growing them have them right. If you create them platform and say where them once them now do not illegal and them not threaten the Prime Minister life or any government official, them can't do anything they want to do. I just ridicule them with the nonsense when them attack say. But I can't tell them don't create them platform. I feed them platform, I feed them time they must spend and do it. We not have to go up on it. We don't have to go on their platforms. One thing I can promise you, no PNP is going to come here and I disrespect them. That's a fact. If we can't have a conversation, me just say, yo, we talk next time. I'm not going to disrespect you. You see? And I'm not going to allow any Labour right to disrespect you over here either. Because at the end of the day, we are one people. And enough of them politicians here, where we would have kill each other over, or analyze each other over, then we can't have access to them. We can't go in the office. Let's understand that. So we don't fight for politicians, we fight for policies. We fight for things we can make our country better. We don't fight over politicians. You see, me see them say, me defend Andrew Holness with, yes, me defend him against the lies when I spread. And the propaganda when I spread because you trying to bring down Andrew Holness, is trying to bring down the country and trying to bring down the government and everything. Can't lie, I tell. So when me come say, me believe, leave it alone. Yeah, leave it alone, yeah, boy. Leave it alone. Is it? Leave it alone. Is it? Leave it alone. Some people are just idolized and deified, and some people they don't just do anything and get away with it. because they are heroes, national treasures. Leave it alone. You see? So, I ain't a business. All right, 2 more I'm gone a road. 2 more and I gone a road. Let me see what do you say. Where did the people them were long list. All right, so chuck ya. Mr. Alvaro tell a lie one night, you know. And I said the man, and when I go up on the platform and ask the man, say, which part I find the information, the man start war me through me. They say, the PNP did go get out $1 billion and Gabriel was one of the recipients. And the man start war me. And I ask the man, say, the man said, Darrell Vaz violated some laws, breached some laws. And I ask the man where they. And the man can't tell me. Is it? Because when they get go on platform, if you see Alvaro, tell him, say, me I look for him. Yeah? Because I'm one of the next liar them, you know. Alvaro, you know. I want to lie this man by internet, you know. Me never know somebody can lie, someone. Hold on. I mean, invite the man and the man can't forward. Granny soup. Alright, so. Alright, let me see something here. Angel reacting, you can go on our platform at 9 p.m. because I'm going to check out now. All right. All right, so you come out, this something and it's not adding anyone else. I don't know what's going on with it. You come out and report it live. Coming out, nobody can get added. I don't know what's going on. Let me try one more somebody. I don't know why not add nobody. I'm gonna try it. Somebody just come. I'm gonna try another person. Oh, it's working now? Ooh. Blessed.
Up, bro, up.
Talk to me, family.
I just see that taking peace in your life, man. I just that what did I do, man?
Alright, that's what I heard.
Up top.
Alright. Somebody says, let's check my inbox. Alright, Nathaniel, don't say a word. Yeah, Queen Shack. I don't know about me. Soon come after and then go and report. Blessed.
Blessed love, my boss. I pray.
Yeah, talk to me.
Right there, man. So right now, we not really defend neither PNP nor JLP, you know. Right. And so what me see there going still, me not really condole that. For the people that disrespect the Prime Minister and his wife and his mother and all them things there. You get what I say? Right. Yeah. We not condole that. But to me, I gotta be honest. Mm-hmm. To how me see the country around, I gotta be honest with them. I don't like how the country around. Big man. Huh?
What would you like to see happen?
Cost of living, my boss. Cause me hear you the talk about the 32,000 for minimum wage, which that is good. Right. That is nice.
We're not going to get you.
No, me know in a run yet now. I'm just saying that is going to be nice. But cost of living, my boss. Because right now in a party in Jamaica, right now, you're looking at $380 and $400. When minimum wage, whenever time him drop it, how much I think? So, to me, what I try to say is this. What I love to see happen is, even if minimum wage go up to 32,000, me would I love to see cost of living kind of stable away. So that's the only way now people can at least see the money. Because it doesn't make no sense, Mr. Vegas, for example. I gave you $100.
How much a party?
380 and 400.
Okay.
So it doesn't make any sense me give you $100. And then with my left hand, and then with my right hand, me take back $40 out of it.
So
You understand?
Are the government raise the party?
No.
Who raise the party?
What I'm trying to say to you is this, right? I people may raise it, but what I'm trying to say, if minimum wage
Why?
gone,
Hold on, what's the reason?
yeah, man.
Why goods raise?
Because you know it's a tax, GCT and everything.
So if there was no increase in GCT, if there's a reduction in GCT, right? What other means or what other reasons why things raise?
Well, you know say well the dollar, because we know say well the dollar have a lot to do with it.
Right.
But we know say GCT. Yeah, man, talk.
And why else?
Well, a lot of things, okay, you know, so well, they have to ship in things and like export and all them something, which we know. So what I try to explain to you is this. If the thing can just...
So certain product, right? Certain product, you know, Billy said certain product where people have to import.
Yes, we know that.
You know, Billy said the price for them increase, people are going to increase them goods because we have a premium.
Of course, definitely.
All right. So you are saying if the government is going to increase minimum wage because that is happening because the price increase on goods, like for example, when we had the oil crisis because the war did go on, did the government have any control over that?
No control over that.
Right. So the government tried to do what they could do without putting the country into bankruptcy by increasing the minimum wage from 2016 to 2025 to 158%. Because
yes.
when this administration came into power, the minimum wage was 6,200. You know?
Yes, which is right.
How much it is now?
Right now it's at 16,000, and it's going to move to 18,000.
So if the government said them are gradually move it, it means that the government project say, them can't stop goods from raise because, like for example, shortage of goods sometimes increase, the price, right? So if the government is trying to look down the road or to try to say, make people have a more livable wage, not minimum wage, a more livable wage by increasing the minimum wage to 32,000. I think that's supposed to something that you could appreciate. It's not enough because factually 32,000 is still not enough, brother. But it's more.
No, man, 32,000 is all right, It's going to be livable. But what I'm trying to say to you is, if cost of living continue to go up, it doesn't make any sense. That's what I'm trying to say to you.
What I'm saying is not just confined to Jamaica. Where you live?
No, I'm not in Jamaica now. Jamaica, I come from.
Where are you?
America.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah, man, sure.
Let me share this much with you. The other day, I try to buy some things, right?
Yeah.
And the money I spent here to buy the goods, it better me go down at the wholesale down at Jamaica to buy them. The money we not pay for things are foreign. And not burn out Jamaica about cost of living, brother. It's ridiculous.
All right. Let me hear your reason now. Things are expensive here. Which part of the things expensive? But you know what's the difference? The money, my boss. For example, me can work 6,000 US a month. For my rent, me take out 1,000. Me still have 5,000 US left. For bills.
Pull up.
No, I'm just try to give you an example.
Hold on, brother.
Man.
What's with me?
Yeah, man.
Where you get place? How much bedroom you rent for $1,000?
Just a one bedroom, one apartment, my boss. I'm here alone.
All right. So you're alone and you rent a one bedroom?
Yes. And a month, Me I work 6,000, right?
You don't have no youth. You don't have no youth.
No youth as yet.
You have a woman?
But we have yeah, man, we have the people in back at Jamaica where we give things to. And plus me go back to Jamaica, you know.
Brother, no, me not try be, you know. Yeah.
Me just a try.
I'm trying to have a conversation with you. Me I try because you are comparing yourself to a Jamaican who may have children or a family to feed. You are comparing yourself to that. See? But even in your situation, you rent a 1 bedroom for $1,000.
Yeah, my boss.
How much I convert to in Jamaica?
What, is 6,000?
The 1,000. That convert to 16,000 in Jamaica. About 15,000. 150,000 in Jamaica, right?
Yeah, roughly around that. Around that.
You know, so we can get a 1 bedroom, a 2 bedroom or maybe a 2 bedroom or 3 bedroom in Jamaica for 150,000 a month.
Of course. I know that.
So you know, live better than we, brother.
No, what I'm trying to explain to you, you know, if you get what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to explain to you is after me take out my rent money, my bills money, plus my grocery money, the amount of money I have left back. That's what I'm trying to explain to you.
So you a single man, where your people in there Jamaica, so you're not even pay for pussy, brother. Excuse my language, people. Yeah? Your pum fee, they are Jamaica, brother. Zane? You have also 1 bedroom where you rent, brother. Zane? You can save more than the person in Jamaica. We have a family, bro. You can't compare yourself in another situation, bro. You don't even pay a pum bill, bro.
No, what I'm not comparing, my boss. The thing is this. It's when I go back to Jamaica, because I have my house at the...
All right.
No.
All right.
When I go back,
when you have 6,000, you work 6,000 now. What kind of job you do?
We work in a hotel.
You work in a hotel?
Yeah, my boss. I used to work at Jamaica in a hotel for 10 years.
Hold on, man. What kind of work you do in a hotel?
We are bartender.
Now, how much an hour you get?
Well, I know it's not really about the hour. I tell about like it's all about the service charge.
How much an hour you get? How much an hour you get?
We do like what? $12 hour. $12 hour we do.
So how much that work out for the month?
Well, on 12. Now remember, it depends on the hours. Because if you do long hours and so, for a week you can look at these 7.
I don't want to check overtime. I want to check the standard rate. So give me a month's salary by just the rate where I get per hour. Just give me that for the month. No matter add on the tip, them and give me the $6,000. I don't want everybody lucky to get tip. And everybody do overtime, brother. Some people I go home, go take care of them children. No? Don't it? You check your work it up, my brother?
Yeah, I did a work, man.
No, man, how much you get for the month?
I say, we are work like 1,400. 1,440.
For the month?
Yeah.
You make you work for
not for the month, man. Sorry, man. For the fortnight, man. I talk for the fortnight.
So you work 2,800 for the month?
Yeah.
All right, so make it work from this. So you get tip on them something if you make it up to 6,000, right?
Tip on your personal thing, but it's service charge.
How you get? All right, so explain the service charge to me. Explain that to me.
All right, so service charge, once the house count enough, you can get like 3,000, 4,000 service charge.
But not every time that happens?
No, not every time, yeah.
So why you give me that as your monthly salary? This honest, bro.
No, I'm just trying to show you something. No.
You can't give me a number that is not set in stones. You can't give me a number that is not a standard number, bro. You have to give me some. When you tell me say I work $6,000 a month, you make me believe now say you work 12 times that a year.
No. my
If you
boss.
don't work, so you're not working 6,000 a month every month, right?
No, not every month.
So why you give me that number there for?
No, I'm just gonna give you an example, like
You can't give me that, bro. But that is dishonest, bro. That is dishonest. No. So,
no,
so
yeah, talk.
going by your going by your calculation, you work 2,800 a month. See?
Yeah.
What my argument was, some of the people them were pointing finger and I say things expensive at Jamaica. You know have it worse in America because you as a single man, when you take out $1,000 out of your pay, if you don't get the service charge and they sitting there and the tip and they sitting there, brother. When you take out $1,000 for your rent, and you have to go pay utility, you pay utility bills?
Yeah.
You buy clothes?
Already like every time, so we have clothes, so we don't really have to waste money on clothes, my boss.
But you still buy clothes, huh?
Yeah.
You have pump bill?
No, sir. So why am I don't want to take up a woman when I work, my boss? Tell me now. We give woman money, you know, so don't get me wrong. But we ain't go have nobody to depend. We not go have no woman to depend.
No pump bill that brother. All right,
yeah. No, I'm just trying to say we don't go no woman to depend upon me, my boss. So if you pay a check me get. But make me talk now, my boss. On a big man levels. We are Jamaica.
Hold on. So you're afraid of pump bill, sir? You're afraid of pump bill?
No, but we not go to work hard and just take your money and give you one, so no, my boss.
You have children?
No.
How old you are?
We are just 30, man.
No, you're not. No, don't say it like that. Me are just 30. You're a grown
man. Yeah, I'm 30, but me I try to explain to them, my boss. No, I'm going to be honest, you know. No, what I try to explain to you is this. And I people.
Hold on. Because I must say, I compare your situation with people at Jamaica. People at Jamaica, where we are talking about, brother, them about 3-4 people, bro. But you compare with Jamaica, sir.
No, yeah.
Hold on. No,
yeah, but.
You hold on.
All right,
my boss. Qualified. You are not qualified to speak about anybody in Jamaica, brother. When it comes down to cost of living, you are not in that. You are not in the position to point fingers, bro.
I can tell you something now. And America,
and compare your way of life with a Jamaican. You're not in a position to do so. You don't have no children. You don't pay pum bill. You are living. You're literally a free man. You're a bird.
All right.
You're a bird.
So make a reason. Well, I know, my boss. Make a reason, I know. But I try to explain to you. I know we live over there, you know. We have to go back to Jamaica same way. We have things down there take care. I see when we go to Jamaica, we have the house down there built. So that's why I can tell you. But what I'm trying to do, are the same people that I look out for. All I'm simply trying to say, $30,000 not bad. Me not say nothing bad, you know. All I'm simply trying to say, if they could control the GCT for the that's all me I try reason they say, no, my boss.
Brother,
me not say nothing bad.
But this administration reduced GCT, so what you say?
Not bad. Reduce. Well, on
yes.
Shit. Me have some receipt. I should show some receipt, my boss.
You know matter how much receipt you show me, this administration reduced GCT. No matter how much receipt you show me.
Reduce?
Yes, that's a fact.
I'm going to ask you if you have a vehicle at Jamaica. I know you have a vehicle at Jamaica. When you go insure your vehicle, right? You ever look on the GCT yet on it? Just asking. So I'm going to ask you if you have a vehicle. I know you have a vehicle in Jamaica. And thing. You ever look on the GCT?
Yeah.
Me go TST go buy chicken. How me look on the GCT? Me say, that's why I tell you, say, I never have the receipt them, I can show you. And I just, last year, me go Jamaica. Just to show you.
What was the GCT for your chicken?
That is the thing. Me not go and tell you no lie. That's why I say, I never have the paper, can show you.
So something hurt you so bad where you not have no memory of it, you don't know why it hurt you so bad.
To be honest with you, my boss, is it to go along there? I'm well want to lift up. Me I tell you the honest truth. Right now, if America fi open up and say Jamaicans come, me I tell you, my boss, everybody left Jamaica.
Next question. Give me an idea. How much you pay for food? How much you pay for chicken at Jamaica?
No man, taste me say me buy a chicken. It was a chicken sandwich. And I think me pay about $980 and $950. Somewhere around there, so. Is it a $980 or $950?
Alright, so let's go with $950. $950 how much yes?
$950 around probably about $7.
How much a US dollar for about 155, so check that.
157.
157? Eh? Yo.
Yeah, man, $6 that.
Alright, so we'll work with your calculation. How much for a chicken sandwich in America?
Right now, which part where we can get chicken sandwich for $4, $3?
Which one?
No, we don't want to give a location, you see me?
No. Me not give you a location. You must can tell me which part.
You ask me which part, but me go call name now.
KFC, Burger King.
No, KFC, man. No, not KFC. No.
Which part you buy chicken for chicken sandwich for $3 in America?
That's what I'm telling you. I cannot like give up my location like that. Once we call a place name, then I'm person gonna say, oh.
I know the place name, I just want to know the store. Store there everywhere.
So if I try to tell you, my boss,
you know
can't just call out with our jersey. Listen, with our New Jersey. With our New Jersey, my boss. That's the only thing.
What is the name of the store that you bought your chicken sandwich for $3?
Yeah, but I can't tell you long, man. I like no store on this.
You already gave me enough. You already told me your jersey.
Yeah. No, but it's a store. No, me tell you Jersey. Jersey is big.
What do you mean by the restaurant where you buy the chicken sandwich for $3?
Well, I know, my boss. As we may tell us, we now highlight no place on this. I'll be simple. I try to say to you, my boss.
So you can't tell. Oh, we're not going to do this.
No, we're not going to go.
So
listen,
you can't tell me which way you go buy.
Listen up. We now highlight no place for sale here. So know what yourself, you know. Are you think this? Are you think this? Are you think this?
What up?
The page here. What me depend? Are you think I'm follow it?
Yeah, man.
So you me I go do for you.
Yeah.
And this is no joke. I go take the picture.
No. I believe you. I believe you. That on the $950, I believe you.
No, man. No, you say which part me buy for $3. $3 something. Some cent. There was some cent. Me not left off a cent. Some cent is on
McDonald's?
No, it's not McDonald's.
Was it Burger King?
No, I want store.
Was it Wendy's?
No, it's a store. It's a grocery stores, but they have them little things set up where them sell them sandwich and all them something like if I want Caesar salad, all them little something there you can get it. But that's what I'm trying to say.
Because that's let me see what name Carl. Carl your name, right?
Yeah, man.
Carl. Big man thing, brother. Yeah, you can work up to $6,000 a week, right? A month.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, man, a month. Not a week, a month.
Here we go to Carl. You are citizens in America?
No. We're not citizens. I tell you, we are built with foundation at Jamaica. So I tell you, I go back to Jamaica. I mean, no things expensive.
I go back to Jamaica, set my family and them thing there.
Of course, we set up with people.
Your woman live at Jamaica and them thing, right?
No, my woman is at Jamaica. No, my woman is at Jamaica.
You have a girlfriend and wife?
No, not a wife. Me have a girl, yes, but she's not there at Jamaica.
You live foreign?
Yeah, she's there foreign to see me, man.
So you can move her in and make she cook some real food for you?
Yeah. No, man, my boss, we cook, you know. we cook, man, we cook. Because as them people at the point, you know, you see, we don't come for here. Well, I know, we don't come for here for disrespect nobody and thing. You understand?
I'm not disrespect, man. I'm here as a brother.
No, that's what I say.
Brother,
we not disrespect.
Listen, brother, this is a serious conversation. You can't brother. No, listen. Just listen.
Yeah.
A long time I come to America, brother. Anyway, I get that sandwich in a little store for $3, bro. I workless living that, brother. Big man thing, bro. I don't know really, bro. I don't like that, bro. You good all cool.
No, I'm just trying to tell you something, my boss. I don't really like say, I go there to buy. Sometimes, you go supermarket.
You're there for that cold food and a pint finger.
No, my boss. What I know, man. We don't understand, you know. You go to a store, right? You go buy your grocery. And when I look now, you see one little sandwich. You take up here and buy. I don't really like say, well, I dare they do it. You understand what I'm saying? You go buy your grocery and then look at them one little part to them sell them sandwich and thing. I don't really say you're right.
Bro, listen to me, man. You see, the problem is, you know,
If you go on my page.
I'm sure the problem I have with you.
Yeah.
It's like the eye them always a point finger upon how people live at Jamaica and people are suffer. But to you describe your life to me right now, brother. You come like you need to come home, bro.
No, my boss. Tell us if you check my page. That may I try to explain to you. And say, that may I try to tell you.
You move back to Jamaica. Yeah, me appreciate that because you were going now. You can't be a foreigner from old sandwich, brother.
Well, I know, my boss. I may I try to explain to you now. And you see the reason why Jamaica now move forward? You know the reason why?
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you the reason why Jamaica not moving forward. You see, the politics, it divide the people, my boss. And when I say divide, let me explain to you. If you bring up politics now to a PNP, man, you go tell about labor right. Say them are thief and them are wicked and them are this. But if you bring up politics to a labor right, you go tell about PNP. What I'm trying to say is this. People always living in the past. Them if stop living in the past and start to move forward. Missy Pitney just ban what deal. What I know, my boss? What I know?
No.
What I know? What's a minute?
But let me just address what you just said quickly. If you bring up politics to me, I'm not tell about PNP, brother.
No, not you.
Okay.
I'm not talking you, you know. I'm just saying people. You know what I'm saying? The reason why Jamaica now move forward, and that's what I'm trying to explain to you. You see Pitney ban one day, right? Pitney just reached 18 years old. Why him know about PJ? Why him know about Bruce Golding? Why him know about Jamaica? Just our people are put in them brain. You understand what I'm saying? So a PNP man now, a Pitney grew up, then go tell him one bag of sitting. You ain't have Siaga, you ain't have Tara. No, we don't want that.
But let me ask you. In at this time, how long, let's say this administration, have you seen anything to say the country is moving forward or not moving forward?
Yes, of course.
What?
The NHT for one. I love that what him do.
Okay. What again?
The NHT thing good.
When do NHT? When do?
Increase it.
Increase what?
The threshold from how much millions to
7
point something million and things. Parry, there's talk to people, you know, Mr. Vikas. Let me tell them, you know,
and reduce the interest rate on it.
Yes. So there's a lot of good things.
So that's a positive. Where else? See, we now go back to PG and we now go back down and see.
You understand what I'm saying?
Go again, give me something.
I love that. The crime. I have to talk about the crime, my boss. Me give him a round of applause.
All right. That because you want to come on, you know what the man analyze.
No, I say well, come on. I say I go shake him man right now for that.
All right, so we got two things. Give me something else.
There's a lot of things, my boss. A lot.
Nice.
When do.
Bam.
When do
stop
good.
Right. So stop right.
Good.
Stop right. So stop what I know. So stop right. So.
Yeah.
So all the lot of things where you're saying do good, that now move the country forward?
No, what I'm trying to say. The country is moving forward, but
no man.
Yes.
We're not doing that, bro. We're not doing that.
Hold on. What did I talk about?
What did I talk about? Hold on. You said the country is not moving forward. But you pointed out to some things that the government is doing and Andrew's administration has been doing. So I'm asking you, aren't these things?
I'm talking about cost of living. Those are good things, you know, but I'm talking about cost of living, my boss. If you're the Jamaican now, for example, and you go a soup, right now, 10,000, 15,000 a joke thing, you know, my boss.
But sir, cost of living is up everywhere.
Yeah, all right.
It's not just Jamaica cost of living up, brother.
No, well, I know this is no joke. This is no joke. Serious thing.
I just tell you, I was trying to pack some things, bro, and you better me to buy them at Jamaica. I'm telling you.
No, well, yeah, but it depends on which place. Some place you can get things cheap.
Bro, listen. When you talk about Jamaica, when you don't say we can get things cheaper someplace, like me can go down a town and get things cheaper. When you just broadside Jamaica, but when you not talk about foreign and I want to say someplace you can get things cheaper. So why you can't say the same thing about Jamaica so we can go down a town and get some things cheaper? Why you can't go down a market and get some things cheaper? Why
Well,
can't we can go down a wharf and buy some bulk things cheaper? Why we not always say we can get things cheaper in some places in America, but we can't say we can get things cheaper in some places in Jamaica. Like in the country before the hurricane, we could get cabbage and pumpkin and melon and them things that cheap. So why we not always a broadside Jamaica, but when it comes to which part we live, we run down live a foreign. We not always say, oh, we can get things cheap some place in a foreign. That makes sense, bro.
All right, I'm gonna ask you a question, and this is no joke thing, right? As me tell you, me there Jamaica they work for 10 years, and this is no joke thing. When me come right so within 2 year time, when me did at Jamaica they work for 10 years, my boss, me make that and pass that. No joke, and you know that too, my boss.
All right.
For example, you is an artist,
right.
And you know where do you make money, Jamaica or abroad? To be honest.
Foreign.
So now it may try to show you what me make overseas.
But sir, you can't compare me in your bracket because you go now. I do concerts. I go to festivals. You know, festivals now keep a Jamaica for me make money like that. You see? And Jamaica, when it comes down to attendance, all of them things, it's different in some places. So your situation in Jamaica when you used to work for 10 years, when did you leave Jamaica?
I was 6 years now since we left.
You left 6 years now. So in 10 years when you are Jamaican, Zane, what kind of work you did I do?
Same thing, hotel we work.
Yeah, right now.
Hotel we work. Yes. All in a COVID, my boss. It was like, Jano, in a COVID that.
Hold on. In truth, the hotel workers in Jamaica, they are not well paid.
So no eat me at all.
But here we go on. You can't compare Jamaica salary with them pay at Jamaica. Well, and I agree that they should have paid people more still. But
because of the same people them left from foreign, you know, coming to Jamaica.
Yeah, I you know what? I'm gonna give that to you. I'm gonna give that to you. The hotel, the people around the hotel industry, yeah, maybe they can do more. But they must be looking at their books and stuff like that. And remember them deal with slow season, fast season, and all them things, the prime season. We're not dealing with them something like that. So me not really have them books to look on it. So, but me not gonna argue upon that because I your feel. But in a COVID, you wouldn't expect say, you would not, you'd be like getting a certain amount of pay when nobody can travel, right?
No, not from the hotel worker, but for me, the government. They take too long. They are taking too long to step in. Reason being, do you know? As a matter of fact, you know, every single tourist that come to Jamaica have to pay a tax.
What that have to do with the government? The government stepping in where?
With assisting the hotel workers.
What?
He did. Hold him did help, you know. Don't get me wrong, him did help. But it had to take a debate, and they have to prolong, and they have to go in a parliament, and they have to cost about it, which the hotel workers were getting 18,000 per month.
Let me ask you a second. I'm going to wrap this up now. Do you realize the whole world was going through a pandemic?
Of course.
Do you realize that you need responsible spending so that the country don't go into bankruptcy, brother? You realize that, bro?
Yes, of course. But what I'm trying to say to you,
the argument, the nonsense.
How many millions tourists they say come to Jamaica?
So you can't compare tourist millions in the COVID time. Nobody couldn't travel, bro.
No, I'm talking before COVID. There was no incident, right? Right? There was no incident. So all the money they're supposed to save towards a rainy day. So what I'm trying to say to you is this, right? There was no COVID, you know, until what, 2020. So what about back then?
But
remember?
You're the good thing, because you tell me why say no one go back then, and you're going back then now. And that's the problem.
No, we're talking about.
No.
I don't talking about persons.
Hold on. You account your own argument. Because you say anything you talk to PNP, them want to talk about this at time. I talk about liberty, them go back. We don't need to go back to nothing. What we need to look forward to now.
All right, moving forward.
Hold on. This administration now, them are going to remove the taxes from tips for the workers. That's a good start, right?
There was no tips, see, that is foolish. Tip do not get taxed, my boss. So no make nobody tell you no foolishness. I hear that foolishness, you know. They make a mistake right there. Tip do not get taxed. I can tell you that.
All right, boss. We have different facts. So you have to hold your facts, I mean I hold my facts, right?
No, it's not about facts. It's about who work in there. You can ask any hotel worker if how do they tip? Hold on, Mr. Vegas. You hold on. You come to the hotel and you give me $100 tip. How are they going to tax it? Just ask it. A lot of the hotels in Jamaica are what? All inclusive. A lot of them, they are all inclusive. So I want to know, how is it you give me $100 cash, I put it in my pocket? How is it going to get taxed?
Oh, so the worker, so when the people use a credit card, right? And then put the part was a tip. Then take out that jar and put it in the pocket.
Okay. When I'm working at the end of the shift, hold on, at the end of the shift, hold on.
We cannot use a question, answer a question. I'm just asking a question.
And I'm answering you. When they use a credit card at the end of the shift, they give you the cash in your hand. Yes.
Big up yourself, Carl. I learned something tonight.
No, for real, you know, Mr. Vegas. Me, people that talk to you.
Carl, let us agree to disagree. I'm gonna give you the victory on that one.
No, it's not victory, you know.
Have a great
everywhere.
Have a great.
Me not talk everywhere.
Have to wrap it up now. Have a great
yeah, man, big up yourself, man.
Have a great night and leave the cold sandwich them.
No, my boss. Yo, big up yourself, my boss.
I'm moving the girl, man. You're too mean. You're too
big up yourself. Big up yourself, man, my boss.
That's the one called mean. You know what I'm saying? You come. Come ready, bud. Yeah, that's a Carl. God used to chop the hotel. Like God, when the people that write the tip come like Carl, take it out like tree. God said, would not tax my one. Would not tax my one. Yo, Carl, I want chopper. I'm never telling you. Carl say, when Carl see people they write the tip on the paper, the person, Carl just say, would not tax my one, you know. At the end of the day, I'll take out that I trade. I mean, Carl. Bye. Big up yourself, Carl. I mean, every hotel worker, that's kind of trade. That's for the Carl. Bye. I mean, Carl. Big respect, Carl. I mean, Carl said, no, pay no tax on that. All right. So I have to leave it as some people come in there about 3 hours now. What, trust me. You see, great reason, we don't cuss nobody, we don't run nobody, we don't block nobody, we come on the platform and we don't make nobody disrespect nobody. And the reason just nice. Big up Carl and the cold sandwich. Boy. You see? Just go and enjoy your cold sandwich, Carl. And Carl, moving the girl, man. You're too mean, brethren. You get 6,000 a month and now buy the pum brother. You're too mean.